gonna be fun in the sun. And we're gonna be on this water slide here. And I have my daughter, Tiana. She's gonna join me. This is so much fun. Are you ready?
Yep.
She's going first. Let's go. Woo! I'll tell you, this is so much fun. And I tell you, it's so hot out here. We need a cool snack.
Yes, we do.
Let's go in and prepare something cool. Welcome back. And it's in the kitchen with Miss Vickie time. Now, remember I told you when we got through and fun in the sun on the water slide, and me and my daughter, she's here with me again, we thought about having a cool snack. And what we want to do is ice cream.
You scream.
We both scream for ice cream. So what we're going to do is have ice cream in a bag. And it's really simple. Don't forget, you must have a parent in the kitchen with you, okay? We are going to have our heavy whipping cream, 1 cup. And I've double bagged this bag. You don't have to, but I've done it so that when we do the salt, we do the salt part, I don't want the salt in there. Now, I'm gonna set that there. Now we got to have some vanilla. I'm going to shake it up a little bit. And we're gonna have 1.5. So this is, 1. And then I'm gonna find my half. Let's see, there is a half. So we're gonna put that in there. A half. Okay, we got that in there. Now we need 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm gonna get my 1 tablespoon, label that off. This will be something fun for you and mom or dad or older sister or brother. Okay, now what we do is we're going to Ziploc this one shut. Okay, we're going to Ziploc. Okay, if I can get it. And we must make sure that we get all the air out of it too, okay? This probably will work better if you get the ones that just zip across, but I didn't have that kind, so I'm making sure that this is all, pinned together, and it looks like I'm having a little problems with it, so make sure that you, okay, there we go. Get all that air out. All the air. So let's see. Yep, we got all that out. And see, I'm going to double bag it. Okay. You don't have to do this, but I want to double bag it because I don't want salt in it when I do the salt part. Okay. Now for this, we shake for 5 minutes. Now we're going to get our ice. And thank you. And I'm gonna put my ice in here. Okay. Put a little bit more. Okay. So that was 4 whole cups of ice. Okay. And now I've got 1/4 cup of salt. It goes in with the ice. Now in goes the milk. Now, I'm sorry, my ice cream ingredients. Now, this is gonna take 5 minutes to shake, so I'll be back after my 5 minutes of shaking, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. It's time to open up our ice cream. Ooh. Ooh, it's cold. I'll tell you, that was cold. I gotta get me a paper towel. Ooh, get a paper towel. Wipe my hands off. Okay. Now let's see what we got. You ready? Oh, forgot to tell you. You could also use little sprinkles. And I'm gonna use the rainbow ones. Ooh. All right, I'm ready to taste my ice cream. Mmm. Mmm. By golly, that is delicious. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.